Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a super easy Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna draw the head. To start the head, we're gonna make like a circle. So we're gonna start here and just leave a space here for the nose. Make his eyebrow and go all the way back. For his back spikes, we're just gonna make 3 spikes on his back. Well, yeah. So right here, go back and kind of curve. Go forwards and kind of curve. Go backwards and kind of curve. And just do that. The last one, completely down. And just straight up like that. And connect it. Now that we got the head shape, we're gonna draw the ears. So the ears are just 2 triangles, 1 triangle. Well, 3 triangles, because you gotta do triangle like this, and then a triangle inside. So we've got the ears done. Right now we're gonna do the nose where there's nothing, and like the mouth and everywhere around that. So the nose is really, really, really easy. All you gotta do is an oval and you got the nose. An oval like this. Now you can draw a highlight and then color it in and a little curve for the smile and curve it down. Now we're just gonna do like the space around the mouth. So did you know Sonic is about 3 feet and 3 inches? That's pretty small. So we finished that. It already kind of looked like Sonic. He just needs eyes now for his face. So the actual eyes just look like goggles. So you're gonna start right here and go up, go down, and go up, and then down. We got that eye shape, and now we're gonna do the actual pupils. The pupils, it's gonna be like just like the nose, just facing upwards, and then put an oval. See, it's just like the nose. And then color it in. Do the same on the other side, but just halfway. And the tiniest little highlight. We've got the head. We gotta do the body now. We're gonna start off with the belly area. So with the belly area, we're gonna draw the actual belly. So the belly is just a simple circle. So we're just gonna circle, but stop. Don't draw anything here. His hand's gonna be here, so we need to leave room for it. So leave the circle just like that. We're gonna do his back. Make a tiny little line diagonal. And then his arm's gonna be, I think his arm should be here. So we're just gonna draw a little, kind of like a triangle, but not really like a triangle. And then just continue the diagonal line. Then that's gonna be his back spike. Continue. like make kind of like two little curves and then diagonal line out, then line forwards. This looks really silly right now. So I'm just gonna connect it. And yeah, we gotta fix up this crazy looking area now. So first I'm gonna do the arm. So where you have this curve right here, just go straight. And then curve it. And then go straight, and then curve it, and just draw a line. His glove is gonna be next. So we're gonna just draw a thing that connects to the outside and draw like an oval, but do not connect it. And kind of same over here, but it's like a half of an oval. See? An oval, but it's just a curve. So just gonna do the same on the bottom, but connect it. You know what? It kind of does look like two tires stacked on top of each other. So now we're gonna draw his actual fingers on the glove. For the fingers, he's gonna have his thumbs up. I'm gonna curve it like that for his thumb. Then curve it down so his hand is there. Then his pinky is gonna be right here. Just gonna draw a curve and a tiny, tiny little curve right there. So he's just like doing a thumbs up on his hips. Sonic needs 2 arms, so we're gonna draw the second one now. The second one, we're just gonna connect it right here and draw a long diagonal line, like kind of at the edge of the circle, and make it go up. Same here, just bend it up where this bend is. And that's gonna be his other arm. Now we're gonna do like the same thing here, but just rotated. So I'm just gonna draw the upper oval and then the lower oval. Then his hand is gonna be different. You're not gonna see it going in like it did here. It's just gonna be going out. So draw kind of like a loop, like that. So curve, up, straight line, diagonal, and then a curve. And that's gonna be his thumb. He's gonna be pointing, so we need his pointer finger. And then stop here. We're gonna draw the other fingers now. So you gotta curve it. Just do a lot of curves until you reach 3 fingers. You gotta finish this finger because it looks kind of weird. So just curve like a spiral. All right, we're done with the other arm. So now we're gonna just do the legs. The legs are just straight lines. A straight line, make a line, a straight line, and another straight line. You can connect the stomach with a belly line here so it like measures. You can do whatever you want. And then the 2 curves like we did on the gloves. And the socks. the socks are just like this area right here. We're gonna do that kind of oval. We're gonna do it on the other side, like that, and do like a half oval, just like an oval without connecting, over here. So all we have to do left is his shoes. For this shoes, we're gonna start like kind of on like halfway on the bottom bun and curve down. For this one, at the bottom of the sock, curve down. At both bottoms, make 2 curves facing the curves that you just made. And just draw a straight line to connect them. 4 last lines. 2 curves. And same on the other side. 2 curves. We're done with the Sonic! It's time to color. The colors I'm gonna use are Parrot Green, Light Peach, Crimson Red, and Violet Blue. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!